have got 10 more days. 10 more days until Christmas. Good morning, everybody. Let's have a great day today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I would like to say hello to all of my new subscribers, to everybody who has just recently subscribed. Hello and welcome to Sincerely Legenia. I'm so glad to have you guys here. To all of my ride or dies that have been with me, hello, welcome back guys. I thank you guys for sticking with me. I love you all so much. You are amazing. Today, right now, it is 3, so I'm kind of vlogging a little bit late, because I pretty much did the same things that I normally do. I got up this morning, I did a little bit of work, I uploaded my video, made sure that got posted. I washed my hair, not very fun, washed my hair, went to the store to get a few more Christmas items. I'm just leaving Kroger. On my way inside of Kroger, there were some snow flurries that were coming down, so I was so excited. Wow, I'm thinking snow flurries. Walked out, it completely stopped. It is cold out here right now, guys. It is 34 degrees, all right? It is freezing. Just me walking from my car to the Kroger door there, I mean, my fingers and ears were freezing. So it is really cold. So I have no doubt that those snow flurries are gonna come back, and maybe this time it'll stick. I know, I'm a weird one. I like the winter weather. I like the snow to hit the ground, not forever, you know, just temporarily so, okay? So I'm hoping we get a little bit of snow at least. A little bit of snow that will stick, and maybe, you know, yes, I like to play in the snow. Maybe I can go outside and play in the snow. Anyway, so I have a few more things to do before I get home. I got a notification that my Amazon package arrived, and that has my cinnamon sticks, my cloves, and my star anise in there. So I'm going to try out one of my simmer pots before I give those away as gifts. I'm gonna try it out to see how well it works and put all the ingredients together and see what I need to do to fix it, because I want to make sure that when I give these out that they work well. I want, you know, the recipients of the gifts to be like, oh wow, this smells great, Gina, thank you. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna put this together, and I'm gonna try it out and let you guys know how well it works, just in case you want to do the same thing. Okay, you may want to put together a simmer pot yourself. So I'm pulling in the garage now, and I'm excited to get upstairs and give this a try. All right, everybody, so I got my package in from Amazon.
Should be all about love. Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of.
Ordered more tea, need that, and my spices came in. So guys, for our packets, I got me some whole star anise. Oh guys, this smells wonderful. Got star anise. I got whole cloves, got a bag of those, and these are 6-ounce packages. And I got me some whole cinnamon sticks. Remember, I couldn't find cinnamon sticks at Kroger the other day. So I just went on Amazon, and this entire pack, I think this entire pack was $25 for all 3 of these. So I thought that was a really good deal. Guys, and these smell so good. You can smell the fragrance coming out of the bag. These are what I'm going to be using to make my simmer pots, my stovetop simmer pots. And so I'm going to go on and get started, and I'm going to show you guys the recipe for that I'm going to be trying out. So we'll see how this recipe works. If it doesn't work well, then I'll try it.
All year. You've been taking notice, that much is clear. Now I'm meaning to ask you, hoping you'll take this right. Girl, have you got plans for Christmas night?
dehydrated limes in here are just delicious. They are flavoring this passion tea so well, along with that lemon that I put in there too. I mean, this is a little marriage that was just meant to be. It is so yummy. So yummy. I hope you guys get a chance to try the dehydrated fruit in some of your favorite teas. It is delish. Hey everybody, I just wanted to share with you what my family is having for dinner. I think I mentioned this a little bit earlier, but just in case I did not. I did a video, a few videos back. I showed you guys how to store your Thanksgiving dressing so that you could use it a little bit later on. And I knew that there was going to be one of these days where I was not going to feel like cooking. And so I made sure to put my dressing in the freezer so that it would keep. So when one of those days came, I could just pop this in the oven. And I did. It turned out great. Let me show you guys. This is the dressing here. I stored it in a bag, a freezer storage bag, and I took it out. I wish I'd put it on camera. I took it out, I put it in this pan here and put a little bit of chicken broth in there and just let it bake in the oven so that it could be nice and moist still. If you guys can see that, it's still nice and moist. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more broth to it, but I'm gonna give this a quick taste. No, doesn't need any broth. Tastes delicious, tastes fresh. And yeah, so I'm gonna have that leftover dressing. And while I was at Kroger, they were pulling some fresh chicken out. So I got this. You can get an 8-piece chicken only for $7.99. So I got some chicken. And so that is going to be dinner. I'm just going to have the chicken, and I may put some of that pasta that I had the other day with it. And that'll be dinner today. All right, guys, so I am going to make my Stovetop Simmer Pot. Like I told you guys earlier, I'm going to try it out first before I give it out as gifts. And so in this Stovetop Simmer Pot, it's going to be filled with all of the fragrances of Christmas. So that's going to consist of cranberries, the whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, star anise, and we're going to also use the dehydrated oranges. So we're going to first add 1 cup of fresh cranberries. Fresh cranberries, look at that. You know, I'm going to try to dehydrate these too. I'm going to dehydrate everything. Next, we're going to add 3 of the orange slices, the dehydrated orange slices. All right, next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cloves. Going to add 1 cinnamon stick. And lastly, I'm going to add a couple of star anise. These smell like licorice. I don't really know if I like that, but anyway. All right. Oh, I almost forgot my limes. We're going to also add 2 lime slices. All right, and to this pot, we're going to add 2 cups of water. And we're gonna put this on my stove, on the back of my stove, and let it simmer on low and see what type of amazing fragrances we can get out of this. Oh, I'm gonna sit this on the burner in the back. I'm gonna turn it on low. And we're just going to let that simmer. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go take care of some business, shower, and get ready for bed, and we will see what fresh aromas or pleasant aromas come from this pot. I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, so it has been 30 minutes. It has been simmering. My entire home smells like Christmas. This is a fabulous recipe. I cannot wait to give these away as gifts. You guys have got to try this Stovetop Simmer Pot potpourri. It is fabulous. My entire home is smelling amazing. So right now, before I head to bed, I'm of course sipping on my tea, and I'm made sure to type out the recipe for the simmer pot because I don't want to forget everything that I did. But one thing I am realizing, we have rather tall ceilings here in our home, and so the smell is really, really strong. So I was thinking someone who lives, well, I'll give this to, that may live in a smaller home or an apartment, I don't want the smell to be overwhelming. So I think I'm going to cut it down for you know, if you live in a smaller home, because the smell, like I said, the ceilings are high and it's going all the way upstairs, and it's really, really strong. Smells great, smells really great, but I don't want it to be so overpowering that the recipient will not even be able to allow it to simmer because it's too strong. It's too strong a smell. So I am going to cut this recipe in half. All right, everyone, so I have just finished my tea. I finished my recipe. I've started the editing for the next video, but I am going to call it a vlog here. Thank you guys so much for joining me for yet another vlog. The Christmas season is upon us, and yeah, we have just a few more days until Christmas, so it's time to go into crunch mode. I've got to make sure I've got everything together over the next few days, and excited to be releasing my single, which I will be doing hopefully at the beginning of next week. But anyway, I'm excited. I'll be doing my pictures this week. You guys will get to see a little bit of that for the cover, the single cover. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna close it out here. I hope that you guys have a blessed and prosperous day today, and I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow in the next vlog. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time right here on Sincerely.